This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. And then it gives a false narrative to market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, these bad actors, these criminals that are naked shorting AMC, the same ones that are paying these media outlets to bash AMC and try to illegally manipulate the price of the stock by putting out these FUD articles trying to get us to sell our shares. Guess what they're doing? They're doing the exact opposite of what they're telling us to do. Okay? They are buying up AMC shares like crazy. And it's not me saying it. I'm talking about Nasdaq. Look at the chart behind me. The chart behind me, okay, Nasdaq is reporting that 154 firms have bought 27,171,683 AMC shares. And these are only the ones they reported, because we all know that they hold on to this 13F as long as possible. Some of them hold them for 2 years or 3 years. So these are just the reported shares that they bought. We have no idea how many shares did they really buy, because they buy and they don't report. And according to Nasdaq, only 92 firms decreased their position, and they decreased their position by only 3,089,578 shares. Okay, so we're talking about a discrepancy of about 24 million, and that is just what is reported. Okay, just what is reported. And I know the shows are gonna say, oh, well, they borrowed those shares so that they can lend them out. Let me tell you something. At a rate to borrow, or to lend rather, of less than 1%, who is going to risk losing 10-20% of the value of their shares to make 1% annually, or less than 1% annually? It makes no logical sense. They'll be better off putting their money in a money market. They've been better off giving it to Webull or Robinhood, because they're paying like 4.6% interest rate. Okay? So you're not telling me that somebody wanting to make less than 1% annual interest rate is gonna invest in AMC. It would be a bad investment, okay? When you could go in a money market and get 4 or 5 times that and not have to worry about the stock price going up and down. So these guys who are buying up, these institutions who are buying up AMC shares, it is not to lend. It's because they know that AMC is severely undervalued, and it is about to run. And I'm not saying it's going to run tomorrow. I'm not going to say it's run the next day. But I'm going to say this. When these bad actors run out of money, when they don't have money to naked short AMC anymore, AMC is going to make a move that's really the bottom line. It has nothing to do, well, in my opinion, it has nothing to do with the charts, nothing to do with the Bollinger Bands, the RSI, the MACD, the EMA. It has nothing to do with that, in my opinion. It has to do with the criminality. Because if they can continue making counterfeit AMC shares, then all that chart shit becomes irrelevant. Okay? It becomes irrelevant. But anybody who wants to argue that these institutions are buying them up to lend are absolutely crazy. Because it would be a bad investment. You can make 5 times that investment putting that money in a safe money market or a bank account or anywhere else. You don't put your money in a stock to make less than 1% interest rate. It's not logical, it's not financially sound, and it's absolutely crazy. The bottom line is this, in my opinion, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell AMC. The big dogs, the institutions, know that AMC is severely undervalued, and that is going to see its actual price probably very, very soon, and that's why they are investing. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Would you invest your money to make less than 1% annually in a stock when you can make 4.6% in a money market? I mean, it makes no sense to me. Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.